So hello, in this video I'm going to show you how I am creating a new video using Higgsfield AI and ChatGPT. So I'm creating a prompt, some like this. So I'm using this image and I'm going to create a simple prompt. So this type of prompt I already explained to ChatGPT. I want to create a video using Higgsfield AI. So get me a prompt for this reference image. I want to create this image of image first, and then I want to animate this into fully realistic. So this was the prompt which I done, but little spelling mistake here, you can see. But ChatGPT just created me prompt. So here is the image prompt. So I'm going to copy this prompt. So just copying this. I'm going back to video section, Higgsfield AI. So I'm going to explore section, and then you can see the image section. I'm going to create an image using this. So just simply clicking on this, and so here I am on Nano Banana Pro. So in this I'm going to paste this prompt. So here I'm going to paste this. So simply I paste this and just generating a video. I want the resolution aspect ratio is 9:16, so I'm going for this, and 4K is the resolution. So let's go. I'm going to create 2 images. So let's go. I'm going to click generate. So here you can see the generate section. So just simply clicking on generate and the done. So let's wait for seconds. So after this I'm going to paste another prompt which I created, that this one. Okay, this one. I want this one. So I already introduced the ChatGPT, that explain ChatGPT in this video prompt, make the penguin move forward towards a large mountain. So this was the prompt. So I'm going to copy this simply. Control C, and let's check this. Penguin slowly moving, walking forward across Antarctic sea. So let's go back on Nano Banana. So we need to wait for some time. So I'm going to fast forward this clip. So let's check. Yeah, here we got the image. So you can see this image. Amazing. Another one. So this is also good. So let's go back, and I'm going to download this image. So let's simply download. I'm downloading this. I'm going to Cinema Studio. I think, yeah, Cinema Studio. Just a second. Once the download is complete, then we will go to Cinema Studio. Process it's slow internet, so I take a little time. So as you already seen these videos I uploaded recently, so I think you already seen these videos. So if you didn't watch these videos, make sure you watch. I will provide the links in the description, and you can see here in the section. So download it. So I'm going to Cinema Studio, and in video section I'm going to load image. In video section I need to upload this video. So first I'm going to upload this generation. So this one, I need to select this one. So simply I'm going to paste this, remove this prompt, and I'm going to paste this one. So that's it. Cinematic wildlife video of Empire. So that's it. I'm going for 10 seconds. It is aspect ratio should be 9:16. Send off one shot. One drone shot. Okay, the moment I'm going for the moment drone shot. So here you can see, just that's it. So let's start generating. So this isn't cute. So to wait for some time. To wait for some time. So I'm going to fast forward this video. So here you can see the video. So I'm going to open this. Let's check this video. It's already instant internet problem issue, so you need to wait. Amazing bro, amazing bro. Yeah. Amazing, realistic. So let's go back, and I'm going to create another using another photo. So simply I'm going to this Google and I'm going to penguin solo penguin. Okay, searching penguin image. We'll check some images and so there's a okay. That's amazing. So simply I'm going to move this back, drag and drop in here. So creation. Location. So let's go. So here you can see how I'm creating this prompt simply. So image creation prompt. So simply I'm going to copy this. Then I'm going to copy this prompt. Copying this prompt. I'm going to Higgsfield. So in Higgsfield you can see image. In the image section I'm going to remove this prompt, and as you can see there, Nano Banana 9:16 aspect ratio and 4K resolution. So let's paste this prompt. So simply click on generate. Wait, I'm going for one batch. So simply click on generate. So this generation is started. So you can see here. I'm going back to ChatGPT and video generation prompt. So here you can see the video generation prompt. So I want to show of simply I'm clicking writing this. I want to add a drone shot of the penguins. Here you can see video prompt, cinematic aerial drone shot of a wildlife naturally documentary. Okay, so simply I'm going to copy this and going back to Nano Banana. Sorry, Higgsfield AI. in this Higgsfield AI you can see, and the image is in progress. So let's wait. Okay, it's done. I think. Yeah. Here you can see the image. Oh, amazing, man. Okay. So let's go back and just downloading the image. Simply download it and going to, when the download is complete, and I'm going to Cinema Studio. I think you should try this one, Kling Studio, Kling 2.6. Here we will get the audio also, no? So we'll go to Kling 2.6. So first we'll download this image. So it's taking too much time. So let's go to video, which is not started yet. Download is not started yet. It's too late. Let's go to Kling 2.6. So yes, download it. Okay, so I'm going to add this image of this image, and okay, adding this image and giving the prompt. So pasting the prompt over here. Cinematic drone wildlife documentary shot of a penguin. So you can see this, and Kling 2.6 audio. I'm using audio also, and duration is 10 seconds. Aspect ratio 69:16. So we're going for this, and the upload is taking a little time. Let's see what it actually do. So after uploading this image here, we are going to click download simply. Let's wait for a little time. I think you will hear properly because I'm in the office, so there's too much noise coming from outside. I'll try to reduce the noise using my editing softwares. So this time I think I need to fast forward this one. Yeah, you can see here the image is done. So simply I'm going to click generate. So the video is into, so let's take a little time more. So I'm going to fast forward this too. So I hope you understand how I am doing this AI tool, using this AI tool, and how you can also create using these steps. You can simply create your own content and just go to Higgsfield AI, and in Higgsfield AI you can you just need to upload your video link in Higgsfield Earn. Here you can get paid from your content. So make sure you try this using my link. I'm giving this link in the description, so make sure you try this. So let's go back and check. The video is in progress, so I'm going to fast forward this clip. So yep, here you can see the video. So let's go and check this one. Going to wait for some seconds. The buffering after this internet is very slow here. So let's check this. Amazing, lovely, good. the sound effects and all these things are amazing. Amazing work, amazing work. So I hope you understand how you can create your own video using Higgsfield. So make sure you like the video and subscribe the channel. So thanks for watching.